Nitric oxide, NO, is essential for erectile function and closely tied to erectile dysfunction, ED. Here's how nitric oxide impacts ED. Vasodilation. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing and widening blood vessels. In the context of erectile function, it helps dilate penile blood vessels, allowing increased blood flow and engorgement of erectile tissues. Neurotransmission. Nitric oxide facilitates neurotransmission and signaling in the nervous system. It aids in the transmission of nerve signals necessary for initiating and sustaining an erection. Cyclic guanosine monophosphate, CGMP, pathway. Nitric oxide activates guanylate cyclase, an enzyme that converts guanosine triphosphate, GTP, into cyclic guanosine monophosphate, CGMP. CGMP is a secondary messenger molecule that regulates smooth muscle cell relaxation and promotes blood vessel dilation in the penis. This mechanism is crucial for achieving and maintaining an erection. Endothelial function. The endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, plays a critical role in nitric oxide production and availability. ED often involves endothelial dysfunction, characterized by reduced nitric oxide bioavailability. Factors like aging, chronic conditions, e.g., diabetes, hypertension, and lifestyle choices, e.g., smoking, poor diet, can impair endothelial function and, subsequently, nitric oxide production. Phosphodiesterase 5, PDE5, regulation. PDE5 is an enzyme that breaks down CGMP, leading to the termination of an erection. Medications such as sildenafil, Viagra, tadalafil, Cialis, and vardenafil, Levitra, are PDE5 inhibitors. By inhibiting PDE5, these medications increase CGMP levels, promoting sustained penile blood flow and facilitating erections. They are often prescribed to individuals with ED and reduced nitric oxide bioavailability. It's important to note that ED can have various causes, including vascular issues, hormonal imbalances, psychological factors, or medication side effects. Consulting a healthcare professional is recommended to determine the underlying cause and discuss suitable treatment options. To increase nitric oxide, NO, levels in your body and potentially support erectile function, you can consider implementing the following strategies. Consume nitric oxide boosting foods. Incorporate foods rich in compounds that support nitric oxide production into your diet. This includes leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula, which are high in nitrates. Beetroot and beetroot juice are potent sources of nitrates as well. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons provide high levels of vitamin C, which can support nitric oxide synthesis. Pomegranate juice and watermelon, containing L-citrulline, are also beneficial for nitric oxide production. Engage in regular exercise. Make regular physical activity, particularly aerobic exercises like jogging, cycling, or swimming, a part of your routine. Exercise stimulates the release of endothelial nitric oxide synthase, ENOS, an enzyme responsible for nitric oxide synthesis. By incorporating exercise into your lifestyle, you can potentially boost nitric oxide levels. Get sufficient sunlight. Spend time outdoors, especially during midday, to expose your skin to sunlight. Sunlight exposure helps stimulate nitric oxide production. Embracing natural sunlight can be an additional way to support nitric oxide synthesis in your body. Consider dietary supplements. Certain supplements can provide direct nitric oxide precursors or support its production. L-arginine, available as a dietary supplement, serves as a building block for nitric oxide synthesis. L-citrulline, another amino acid that can be converted to L-arginine in the body, is commonly available as a supplement. Nitrate supplements offer a concentrated source of nitrates, which can be converted to nitric oxide. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Adopting a healthy lifestyle overall can positively impact nitric oxide levels and potentially support erectile function. Avoid smoking, limit alcohol consumption, manage stress, and maintain a balanced diet. These lifestyle choices contribute to optimal nitric oxide production and overall well-being. Remember, individual responses to these strategies may vary. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, exercise routine, or starting new supplements, especially if you're experiencing erectile dysfunction, ED. A healthcare professional can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and considerations and help identify the underlying causes of ED.